Today I'm checking out this hydraulic pressure testing kit that was sent to me so I can do this review. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. All right, so out of the box, it does come in this really nice case. It's got these little buckles on it to close it. Already opened those. And it comes with a lot. So here you have quite a few adapters. This says G1/8, G1/4, G3/8, 10 by 1, 10 by 1.25, 14 by 1.5, UNF 7/16 and UNF 9/16, and then an NPT 1/4. So that's cool. These are all the different size connectors. Comes with 2 gauges here. That's really nice. And it comes with these test hoses that you can use, so that way you're not just having to put the gauge right on the connector. You have a hose that you can connect it to give you a little bit of movement with that. And it looks like a little bag of O-rings. It's got some quick connectors here. And of course, it's got the manual. Let me go ahead and get some batteries in these, because these do not come with batteries. So these hydraulic gauges look like they take 2 AAA batteries in the back. And to get to them, you just pull off this protective cover. And then they're right here in the back. So I'm going to put 2 in here, and I'll get 2 put in that one, and we'll turn them on. So both of these pressure gauges do look to be the same. It just lets you test 2 different areas at the same time. You can click and hold the power button here. It turns it on. You can zero out your measurements here. You can flip through different units. I'd be probably using PSI. Has a battery meter here. You can turn the backlight on and off. It is a really nice built gauge. The build quality on it's nice. I like the little protective rubber coating that you have here, because you are working with oils. And of course, when you're working with hydraulic oil, it just gets over everything. So this is going to help protect the gauge itself. It's going to help protect the batteries in the back. It says IP65 right here. So I'm sure this sleeve has a lot to do with that. It comes with covers on all of your threads. Of course, you could probably just pull that off, but it's on there pretty good. Nice small hole. Doesn't take a lot of fluid to get a good pressure reading. So really nice. I really like everything about this kit. I like the fact that they give you this nice setup here so you're not losing things. You've got a nice set of quick connects here. I like that. It's got these nice hoses in the back. And then these have just the screw-in plastic ends. So it does look like a really nice kit. I like the build quality. Comes with all of these separate adapters. I have multiple excavators, a big wheel loader, skid steer, tractors, backhoe. I mean, I've got a lot of equipment, and I definitely think this is going to work out well on it. I really like it. I think you will too, and I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.